A fun part of fountain pens is using converters. Converters draw up ink from a bottle in any color of your choice and can be reused and refilled again and again. To fill a Lamy, you'll need a Lamy fountain pen, a Lamy converter, and a bottle of ink. Lamys are proprietary, meaning they only take cartridges or converters made by them. Their converters use a piston design. When a knob is turned, a tiny piston inside the barrel lowers and draws ink up like a vacuum when it rises. This cool bottle of ink has a valve that draws a perfect portion of ink at the top. If your bottle ever has ink at the bottom that you can't reach, you can always pour a little bit in the lid. Turn your converter counterclockwise to ensure the piston is lowered to the very bottom. Grip your converter at the silver section in the middle. Then dip your converter in your ink color, ensuring the lip at the bottom is completely submerged. Keeping it in the ink, start turning your converter counterclockwise. You should see the piston start to rise and ink coming up with it. Keep turning until your converter is completely full and you can't turn it anymore. Tap off any excess and voila, a full converter. So pretty. Go ahead and unscrew the barrel from your Lamy. Make sure your converter is pointed in the right direction, lip facing downward, and push it down into your fountain pen feed. You should feel it firm into place. You can tug lightly on your converter to see if it resists. If it stays in place, you're good to go. This is an easy peasy way to fill your fountain pen and get creative with any color you like, while also being more cost effective and less wasteful. Happy writing!